good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine.
Really? I'm a little sleepy.
Oh, no.
Okay. Now, today we have a world news vocabulary lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to repeat after me once?
Yes.
Maybe? Okay.
Yes.
Manipulation.
Manipulation.
Yes, manipulation.
Manipulation.
Japanese 操作。Okay? 操作。Okay? Crop.
Crop?
Yes, crop.
Crop.
Yes, crop は食べ物じゃないよ。でもここでは crop は cut, cut, okay? It's a cut, okay? Skew,
Skew.
skew,
Skew.
okay? Skew is like this is straight, right? This is skew, right? Skew. Okay. Consequence,
Consequence.
consequence. Okay.
Dr. Matsuo, one more time, please.
Okay. One more time, please. It's good phrase. One more time, please. Okay. Consequence.
Consequence.
Okay. Consequence.
Consequence.
結果。Okay. 結果。Like a result. Okay. Okay. Perspective.
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 Perspective. 見方。Okay. Perspective. Okay. The last one. Visualize. Visualize. You know visualize? Visualize is you can use the visual to see the data. This is like a data something number. This is a visualize. Okay? Visualize the data. Okay? 発音okay, pronunciation difficult? Okay.
例えば、
Pronunciation is difficult.
一番
まに。
Okay, okay, okay. In this case, you can ask me in English, how do you pronounce?
How do you
How do you pronounce?
Yes, how do you pronounce number one, or you can say this word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Junko.
How do you pronounce number one?
Okay, number one, it's manipulation.
Manipulation.
Okay? Manipulation. Good. Yeah.
How do you pronounce number 5?
Oh, you remember how to pronounce. Very good. Number five, perspective.
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 Good.
Let me practice.
Hmm.
How do you pronounce number 6?
Okay, number six, visualize.
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 6番の意味を忘れてしまい
あ
ました。
6番の意味を忘れてしまいました。
私も
お意味ね、意味。In this situation, you can say, what does number 6 means? Or what does this word mean? Okay?
What does this word mean?
Okay? What, number 6?
Number 6, yes.
Okay, visualize means, so this one, so 視覚化する。Yes, 視覚化する in Japanese, okay? 視覚化する。And if you want to learn English, to form a picture of someone or something in your mind, okay? That's 視覚化する in English, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Then, what does number 2 mean?
Okay, number 2, this means crop, not 食べ物, not food. This crop means to cut, to shorten, okay? To cut to be shortened,
長いもの。
短くする、切って短くする. That's crop, okay? This is especially used for the web page or a picture to cut something like a trim, okay?
先生の話し方ちょっと早すぎるんですけど。
早い. Okay, in this situation, you can say, could you speak more slowly in English? Okay? Could you speak more slowly? Okay?
Could you speak more slowly?
Sure. Okay. I speak more slowly.
それ遅すぎる。
Okay.
Could you speak more faster?
Okay. Could you speak faster?
Thank
Ah,
you.
okay.
Could you
Could you
speak faster?
Sure. I can speak more. I can speak faster.
Oh, no, it's too fast.
Oh, too fast. Okay. It's very difficult.
葉の意味は何でしたっ
3番目の言葉の意味は
英語で何だったっけ
How
How
How,
do you
you
speak?
how
No, no.
do you?
How does
That,
Ah,
what does?
What
does
does?
What does
number 3 screw
Skew?
me
me? 合ってる
Okay,
Matsuo.
okay.
What does number 3 skew mean?
Okay. Skew means 歪める to not to be straight. Okay, not to be straight.
うん
Okay, not straight. That's 歪める。
うん
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's get started. Okay. So today we are going to learn about image manipulation. Okay. And remember this word manipulation.
Yeah. It's kind of controlling someone.
Yes.
Yeah.
コントロール様ね。だから操作するとか巧みに操るとかっていうね。So it's to control someone or something. That's image manipulation. So image をマニピュレーションする。Okay, for the internet picture, okay, or website news. So a lot of image manipulation is going on to deceive, 騙すためね、人を騙したりするために使われてる。Okay, so there are 3 common ways to manipulate image. So manipulation, it's 名詞, okay, it's noun, and manipulate 動詞. Okay, so manipulation, manipulate 動詞. Okay, 操る. Okay, so there are 3 most common ways to manipulate image. Do you know? わかる? No. Okay, I'll teach you. Actually, we already studied vocabulary, so that's kind of one hint. So, remember this word? How do you pronounce this word? Remember?
Perspective.
Very good. Perspective. What does perspective mean? Remember?
見方.
Very good. 見方. Yes. こうやって見方ね. That's number 1. Okay? 2. I already taught this one, right? How do you pronounce this one? I taught as this one. Crop, right?
Crop.
And just cropping.
Cropping.
Okay? What does cropping mean? Taku? Remember?
ヒール
Yes.
切る。
短く切る。
切る。
Yes. 短く切る. Okay? That's cropping.
So you mean that cropping is it's you know like 短くする you mean image
うん。
you just you know like cut image
Yes. フォトの一部をこう切り取る。
oh
切
I
り取る。
see
Okay?
thank you I see
That's the cropping. Okay?
thank you
Okay. And the third one is I don't teach this one, but because it's easy. Image editing. Edit, do you know, right? Image editing. So these two. Okay, so now let's see the example of perspective. Okay? So perspective means taking image from different angle. Do you understand angle?
yeah
角度. Okay?
Kakudo.
Different angle and different time of the day. Do you understand time of the day? Morning. Okay? Afternoon. Okay? The same scene but different time. For example, morning and evening or stuff like that. Okay? So now I'm going to show 2 photos of promotional event. Do you understand promotion?
oh I don't understand what is promotional event?
Okay, promotional event is like sell something.
oh I
Okay?
see
For example, iPhone 14発売 iPhone 14発売 That's promotional event. Okay? It's kind of promotional event for new product. Okay? So, photo A, this one, right?
kind of this scene doesn't seem like promotional, right? These people are looking tired and sad and kind of you know
Lonely?
like dark, lonely or
Yeah.
something.
And very crowded, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. I
Okay.
don't know what happened, but something happened and they have to, you know, like make a line
Mm.
or something.
So it's very kind of crowded and people are kind of unhappy and see. Yeah.
Mm.
Maybe they are tired of waiting or
Mm.
something.
It doesn't look like promotion.
Yeah.
That's all. I mean,
Okay.
they don't want to buy it.
Second one.
Oh,
お
wow.
お
What do you think?
Like the pandemic years
Mm.
came back.
Yeah. So it's a lot of space,
Yeah,
right? on the
yeah,
pandemic.
why?
ー、うん
Why
Okay.
is it? Yeah, this scene makes sense if
Mm.
it's a pandemic
Yeah.
or something, and they have to make space. That's each other.
Yep. So, what's the impression that each picture give about a promotional event? Maybe B is more like a promotional event in a
Mm.
pandemic, maybe, right? Good. But actually, these photos were from the same scene with different camera lens, meaning different lens. This one use telephoto lens,
Mm.
telephoto lens,
Mm.
望遠 lens,
Mm.
telephoto lens. And this one using that wide angle lens.
Mm.
You know,
What is wide angle?
wide angle is this is narrow,
Yeah.
wide,
うん
広い.
Yeah.
Okay, 広角 lens in Japanese. Okay,
Thank you.
広角 lens in Japanese. So basically, they change again perspective.
うん
Okay, they change perspective.
うん
Okay,
うん
見方 with lens, and they create very different image.
うん
So, if this is a promotional event during the pandemic, B is successful and A is not.
うん
But the promotional event to gather people, A is successful
うん
and B is not, right?
Right.
But even though it's the same scene, it's the same time, but different perspective.
うん
So you can manipulate.
うん
So media can manipulate. Remember, manipulation. This is image manipulation.
Oh,
うん
Okay? Do you understand? That's
Yeah.
number one.
Yes.
Okay, two. Oh, so this is like, please remember this. By changing the image content, viewers may get a very different impression. Impression means 印象 in Japanese. 印象. Very many people, like, not so many people, right? But it's the same perspective. Okay. The second one, remember?
Cropping?
Very good. Cropping. What does cropping mean?
短く
Yes,
切
to
る
cut,
す
to
る
shorten. Yes, 短く very good. So another was editing. What part of the image is shown? Okay.
But that's all.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Editing. What is in Japanese editing?
Edit is 修正する or 処理する 修正する That's edit. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is photo A. Please look at. Okay. Can you see? By the way, this is World Cup. サッカーワールドカップ in 2018. 2018年ワールドカップ. Okay. And French. Okay. French team won the one national World Cup. Okay. So this is the kind of celebration party. Okay. You understand? And please look at this photo. This is original photo. Okay. And remember what cropping. Okay. So cropped. 短くされた. Okay. Cropped. So this is the cropped version. Okay. Let's compare. Original version. Okay.
うん
This is cropped version.
うん
Cropped. Cropping. Cropped. Okay. So what's different? Which part of the photo was cropped? Which part of the photo was cropped?
How do you say it's hidari?
Okay,
Hidari
very
gawa.
good. How do you say hidari? On the left side.
Left side.
Yes.
And there were people who looked, like unhappy,
Mhm.
or maybe they, when the photographer took a picture,
Mm.
the left side
Yes.
was not, look good. It was dark or something. That's why it was cropped.
Cropped. Yeah. I don't know the reason why, but this part was cropped, right? This part was cropped. Okay? And by the way, someone post web page.
うん
Post means 投稿する、
ん
in Japanese. Post this photo to internet, but people are very angry.
うん
Okay? But why do you think the photo made SNS users angry? Why do you think? なんでこれ見て怒ったと思う？
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Actually.
Do you have any idea?
あ
What do you think?
そう左側の人が、
On the left side, yes.
Yes, on the
Yeah,
left
this side,
side
yes, right?
is cropped.
Yeah.
So, I mean, not all people we cannot see.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. Okay? So the original photo, what in the first line? People, white people or kind of Caucasian white people, and also black people in the first line, and white people and black people, right? But cropped, remember, cropped photo. Who are the first line? Who are the people in the first line? All white. Yes, that's why it's a discrimination, 差別 or it's very difficult what stratification. Stratification means 階級分け。階級で分けてる。stratification. So this is white people and black, all the black people kind of back. So it's people call it stratification, meaning 階層に分けた。Okay? Stratification. So that's why people are very angry. But if you look at the original one, it's not stratified anything. That only cropped this side creates the total different image. Different. So image was,曲がれる skewed. So image was kind of skewed as well. Okay?
They all photo, like looks like what is how do you say in English? 明るく?
Okay. 明るく means like a bright.
Yeah,
bright.
right. With all these emotions,
うん
this photo became bright.
Yes.
I see.
Okay. So this is an important point. By cutting, cropping, cutting the part of the image, making a news story look more positive. Do you understand positive? And this positive is plus.
Oh yeah.
Okay? Positive is plus, meaning 肯定的 plus, and the opposite, it's a negative. Okay? So positive and the opposite is negative. Okay? 否定的 or more dangerous. Sometimes you can do picture more dangerous. Remember, the first perspective one, crowded in the pandemic. It's no good, right? Creating the image more dangerous and more important sometimes. Okay, so all the white people in the first line because they crop the black people, so it becomes kind of important, creating important. Okay, so do you understand? That
Yeah.
lesson? Yep.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.